Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the screw that holds the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1060 filter into the frame. Push the top and bottom edges down until they are under the tabs. This will help the filter lay straight. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Slide the frame back into the housing. Reinstall the glove box door. Reinstall the screw that secures the dampener arm to the glove box. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.